Good afternoon everyone, Tolly Sakalari from Trading Waves on Sunday, December the 14th. We'll start our analysis with the cash ASX 200 index. And following on from our most recent bearish comments on December the 9th, the cash ASX 200 index has conformed well to expectations and should find support above the 5,000 level in coming days, with our next high probability trend change due just after Christmas on the 27th and 28th of December, and will most likely prove to be a low of over several weeks. Macquarie Bank is the next stock we're going to look at, and it has turned down nicely from our expected level, which was around $60.63 last Tuesday, December the 9th. And we would look at covering our shorts closer to that $54 level in coming days. BHP is now fast approaching our downside target in the $27 to $28 region, and with a high probability trend change due this coming Wednesday, December the 17th, BHP appears to be our standout trade for the month of December. Now, momentum aspects appear to be rather constructive, and the demand index is now starting to diverge. As we can see here, so one more leg down towards that $27 region this week will suffice, and we would like to see an increase in volatility. Bottom line, this should be a low risk entry point for BHP this coming week, and we would expect it to be a low of some significance. Rio Tinto, very similar to BHP. This stock appears to be close to a low risk buy as well, and should represent a great opportunity this coming week, although the major turning cycle is due in the last week of December, as we can see. Woolworths has been one stock that we also wanted to buy below the $29 level, and in our opinion this should be achieved this coming week, with time cycles suggesting that once this low is in place, the rally will likely last until at least the first week of February. Stocks on my watch list are still National Australia Bank. We've got a very reliable trend change due this coming Thursday, December the 18th. And if National Australia Bank holds these particular levels within this range, then I'm happy to buy. But at this stage, I'm simply observing and looking for that breakout to occur. Now, I've received a few emails from clients who wanted to know my opinion regarding Santos. Obviously a stock that has been hard hit with the recent decline in oil prices, and if you are brave enough to buy Santos and you believe that the fundamentals are sound, technical aspects are now pointing to a good solid low this coming week as well. And in fact, if on Monday trades below that recent low of 697, that's all it needs to do to the downside before the stock is expected to recover nicely. So the bottom line, this coming week, the sector that we want to focus upon is the materials index, with the heavyweight stocks such as BHP and Rio likely to prove great buying opportunities, and I expect the ASX materials index, or the XMJ, to trade to levels just below the 8,000 mark. And again, this particular index is also diverging, so keep an eye on that space with the material stocks this coming week. Hope you enjoyed this week's presentation, and good luck with your trading.